Welcome back sa aking YouTube channel. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Pakiclick na rin yung notification bell na nasa gilid lang ng subscribe button para maging updated kayo sa lahat ng videos na aking i-upload. Okay, my topic for this vlog is all about geometric sequence. So what is geometric sequence? Geometric sequence, it is a sequence of numbers where each term after the first is found by multiplying the previous one by fixed non-zero number called the common ratio. So you can get the common ratio by dividing the second term to the first term. Then, after finding the common ratio, you can get the next number by multiplying the common ratio and the last term. So the formula, this one, you need to memorize this. A sub n is equal to a sub 1 times r raised to the n minus 1 power, where a sub n is the nth term of the sequence, a sub 1 is the first term, r is the common ratio, n is the position of that term. So I have here an example. Example number 1, what is the 10th term of the geometric sequence 8, 4, 2, and so on and so forth. So we are going to find the 10th term. So the formula, a sub n is equal to a sub 1 times r raised to the n minus 1 power. So first thing we have to do is we will find first the value of a sub 1, r, and n. So our a sub 1 is 8 because the first term here is 8. Then n is 10 because we are going to find the 10th term. R is 1/2 because we divide the second term to the first term. 4 divided by 8. 4 divided by 8. So since it is improper fraction, the numerator is less than the denominator, so we are going to find the common factor. So 4 divided by 4 is 1. Then 8 divided by 4 is 2. That's why 1/2. Then we are going to find the a sub 10. Next is we will substitute the values to the formula. So a sub 10 is equal to 8 times r is 1/2, then raised to the n is 10 minus 1 power. Meron akong nilagay dito na parenthesis para lang malaman nyo na exponent ay para sa whole fraction na 1/2. Hindi lang sa numerator, hindi rin lang sa denominator. Okay, next, a sub 10 is equal to 8 times 1/2, 10 minus 1 is 9. So next, 8 times 1 over 512. Nagiging 1 over 512 siya dahil 1 over 2 is, we are going to multiply 1/2 9 times by itself. So 1/2 times 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 1/2. So the result is 1 over 512. Then next we will multiply. So we will multiply 8 to the numerator. So 8 times 1 is 8. Then copy lang the denominator 512. Next is find the common factor. The common factor is 8. So 8 divided by 8 is 1. 512 divided by 8 is 64. So the answer is 1 over 64. The 10th term is 1 over 64. So if you have questions, just comment down below. Next, another example, number 2. What is the 7th term of the sequence 3, negative 6, 12, negative 24, so on and so forth? So the formula, a sub n is equal to a sub 1 times r raised to the n minus 1 power. So first, we are going to find the values of a sub 1, r, and n. So a sub 1 is 3 because the first term is 3. N is 7 because we are going to find the 7th term. R is negative 2 because I simply divide negative 6 divided by 3. That's why negative 2. Pwede rin na 12 divided by negative 6. Same lang din ang result na negative 2. Then we are going to find the a sub 7. Next is substitute lang the formulas, the values to the formula. So a sub 7 is equal to 3. A sub 1 is 3 times negative 2. R is negative 2. Then n is 7 minus 1. So meron ding parenthesis dito para lang i-separate yung operation at saka yung yung tawag dito, sign. Sorry. Next, a sub 7 is equal to 3 times negative 2, 7 minus 1 is 6. Next is we will multiply negative 2 6 times by itself. So negative 2 times 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 negative 2. So the result is 64. Since the exponent is even, so the sign will become positive. So nagiging positive 64. So 3 times 64 is 192. Therefore, our the seventh term is 192. Okay, last example, number 3. What is a 12 term sequence 2, 4, 8, so on and so forth? So the formula, a sub n is equal to a sub 1 times r raised to the n minus 1 power. First, we have to find the values of a sub 1, r, and n. So a sub 1 is 2 because the first term is 2. N is 12 because we are going to find the 12th term. R is 2 because we are going to divide the second term to the first term. So 4 divided by 2 is 2. Pwede rin na 8 divided by 4 is 2. Same din ang result. Then, we are going to find the a sub 12. Next is substitute lang the values to the formula. So a sub 12 is equal to, a sub 1 is 2 times, r is 2, then n is 12 minus 1. So a sub 12 is equal to 2 times 2. 12 minus 1 is 11. So 2 times 20, 48. Bakit naging 20, 48? Kasi we will multiply 11 times by itself. So the result is 2,048. So 2 times 2,048, the result is 4,096. Therefore, the 12th term is 4,096. Okay. If you have questions, just comment down below. And if you think this video is very informative, please share this video to your friends. And also, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And please click also the notification bell para mag-updated kayo sa lahat ng videos na aking i-upload. Okay, thank you for watching.